So here we go. Now we are recording with the Insta360 GO 3S, and well, actually the thing is that a little while back I was recording with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I have, and well, I was telling the viewers on that channel, the main channel, the link would be down in the description. So I told them that I'm gonna be recording with this Insta360 GO 3S. So now I have like two very good vlogging cameras, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, as you see it's over here, the one that you see here, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and right now I'm recording with the Insta360 GO 3S. So it just sits on this cap, it has this holder, and well, there are other ways to hold this as well, but I think that this gives a very good POV shot frame, and you can also record by they also have this pendant which you can wear, and you can magnetically put it over there. So well, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is looking at the Insta360 GO 3S and vice versa. So this is how things are going, and right now I'm going to the gym, so let's meet you over there. So I'll just turn it off right now. You have to long press it and it will turn off. And look at the gimbal, making it smooth. So we have 15 kilometers, but 30 minutes, that is a lot. But let's see, when do we arrive there? Got to clean the screen, give you people a better view, a very good view. So we are waiting on this traffic light, and well, okay, let me also put my phone so that it can charge itself. Okay, is it charging? Yeah, I think it is. So let's also double check the views that we are getting on the Insta360 GO 3S. Yeah, pretty good, I would say. Actually, my seat is down at the lowest level that I can go, and I've done it intentionally because I feel better driving the car that way. But if we were to go above, well, we could come just up here, as you see. But I don't like this view. I think I'd better go with the one that is completely down, gives a very sporty feel to the car, and for the driving experience itself. So now we got to breeze through the roads. Let's come into this. Well, this lane is also clear. Yeah, let's go till there. People are going the speed limit anyways. Let's try to reach as soon as possible, because I have my colleague waiting there for me. And I'm going to the Fitness Time gym, by the way. If you didn't know already, I have a membership here with the Fitness Time, and I think it's a wonderful gym. They have all these facilities, including sauna, hot bath, hot tub, cold tub, the swimming pools. Then they also have other facilities like the classes for CrossFit. They do have the gyms as well. Then they also have some other activities like table tennis and all that stuff. And the very good thing is that you get to have the lockers there as well. So that is the interesting thing. And on top of it, I'd say the most beneficial thing is that you can use this gym on the go. If you are in another city and you have a Fitness Time branch over there, which you definitely would have here in the Gulf, so you can go there anywhere in the Gulf. Even in Riyadh, they have numerous branches almost everywhere. And then there are categories like yellow, red, and that sort of stuff. So these categories actually are to classify which gym has the best facilities. So the red one, that would have like the best of the best facilities that you can get. And so coming to the point, the red ones, I go to the red ones. I have not been to any yellow or any of the other ones, but I think the yellow ones just have the basic gym equipment. If you need a swimming pool and all that, then you have to go with the red one. And here we have this what's the name, CAFD, the King Abdullah Financial District. Now the speed limit of the road is 90. We are transitioning from 80 to 90, and up there is 90. So well, now we can increase the speed, and we just have 11 kilometers to go. And in front of us we have a very beautiful MG7. Look at that, mashallah, mashallah, what a car, beautiful car. The looks of it are actually really beautiful. Not sure about the drive and all that, but I've seen that in the MG showroom as well. But here we go. There in the distance we have the metro. Oh goodness, look at that, the train passing from up above. A G2 T2, a wonderful looking car. But now I have my eyes on the Rock Swan. T2 is also very good for the price that it has. It's, I would say, stupendous. Oh, why did I hit my hand over here? Okay, so well, we have taken the fastest route. Just 9 kilometers is gonna take us 24 minutes. That's what this map is saying. And I think if we, well, things are kind of odd because I see a lot of traffic, Should we follow the map or should we go straight? Because from here it's showing 23 minutes, 8.2 kilometers. But well, honestly, I think I'll just stay here. I'll follow my instincts, because if we get stuck there, it would feel bad. But if we are stuck over here, at least I would know that I followed my instincts. Because usually at this traffic light here on Riyadh Thumamah Road, it's quite busy. If you live in Riyadh, you would definitely know about this traffic signal. And well, they really need to make something out of it, because there's a U-turn and then there's a traffic signal. So that's the scene. Let us keep in this lane, because these two, they usually would be for the U-turn, and people mistake by going there and getting stuck over there. So well, we'd just stay over here. Even better if we go here, but well, I think, yeah, we should go over here, because I do feel that here it would be relatively easy for us to just even come into this lane if it's required. And eventually you have to select a lane, but oh goodness. My reference point is that Infinity car. If we pass before that or after that, it's so crazy. 22 minutes for 6 kilometers. I'm doomed. but not really. Alhamdulillah, we are gonna reach the gym anyways. So we are moving the Infiniti QX30. What's the name of the car? That is still ahead of us, but I think it's gonna come down to the last point where the U-turn separates from this lane that goes into the traffic light. And here we are, sitting ducks. And you see there are cameras up above over there. This is quite a busy place. What do you think about the color of the Defender? I think it's pretty good. Anything in Defender is good. So this video is also going to be a part of my other channel, Abu Talha in Saudiya. That's the main channel. And well, I've changed names a couple of times, but I'm actually throwing things at the wall, all my effort at the wall, and trying to see what sticks over there. And let's just see what happens. We just have 5.9 kilometers remaining, and possibly the traffic light is red, but seems like people are moving, so let's hope we get to cross this in 2 turns. It's gonna be 2 turns actually. I really do think. Come on, a Hyundai Tucson in front of us. And also another thing, the service for this Changan Eado, it's also due. It was supposed to be done when I was going to Pakistan, but I delayed it, and I have to get it done. No worries, inshallah we'll do it. It's a beautiful car, we'll take good care of it. Right now the guy over there, he's going faster than all the traffic over here. You see the guy over there in a black hoodie. Should we cross on into this lane? Oh, the dilemma. Which lane do we take? I think I've been wrong. This lane is going still faster. We should let this guy come in. But for now, we were not right to come into this lane, because the traffic in that one is actually speeding. So now we are in this lane. Let's hope we do